Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be making a very popular soup from Olive Garden called Zuppa Toscana, which literally translates to Tuscan soup. It's so delicious and hearty, so let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is actually make an Italian sausage copycat with some ground chicken. Now this step is completely optional. You can just go to the grocery store and buy some spicy or mild Italian sausage and skip all these steps. I just can't find any Italian sausage that doesn't have pork in it, so I make it at home and it's really good. So we're going to take 1 pound of ground chicken and add some fresh garlic, smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, some basil, dried parsley, oregano, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Optional if you have fennel and you like the taste of it, also add that to your sausage. Now we're going to move on to our potatoes, and I used about 4 medium to large russet potatoes. After peeling and chopping, it turned out to be 12 ounces. We're going to cut it into thin discs just like this, and you can either make them smaller or bigger. Another option is to cut it into some small wedges if you like a thicker bite. Once all your potatoes are chopped, we can start cooking our soup. We're going to take some bacon, and this is my favorite to use. It's a beef bacon, and we're going to chop it into small pieces and add it to our hot pan with some olive oil, which is optional. Over medium-high heat, we're going to get some beautiful browning on that bacon and then transfer it to a plate and set aside. The bacon should be looking just like this, beautifully crisp and golden brown. Now we're going to add our Italian sausage into chunks just like this. If the bacon left too much grease in the pan, you can take some out, but mine was perfectly fine. Once it starts to cook, then we're going to break it into smaller clumps. That way it resembles Italian sausage. When it's cooked through and has some beautiful browning, you're going to transfer that to a plate and set it aside. To the same pan, we're going to add our diced onion along with some more minced garlic and cook that down for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add some unsalted butter and flour and mix that all together until it looks just like this. Now we're going to pour in our chicken broth and add our potatoes. Bring the broth to a boil and cook the potatoes until they're tender when poked with a fork, which should be about 15 minutes. Then we're going to add salt and pepper to taste, keeping in mind that our bacon has little salt, as well as the sausage, the broth, and the parmesan that we're going to add in a little bit. So basically, a little goes a long way. Then we add in our heavy cream and return back the sausage, along with some kale, fresh parmesan, some chopped parsley, and our bacon. Depending on how you like your kale, you can chop it into smaller pieces or keep it into bigger chunks. Mix all that up and let it sit for about a minute or two until the kale is softened and it's basically ready to enjoy. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. Also, if you want to see more copycat recipes, let me know down below in the comments which one I should do next. And don't forget, as always, the measurements for all these recipes are included in the description down below, along with links to a bunch of my other recipes. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!